If you want to use power button for Gemini or Google Assistant on POCO F7, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here we're gonna scroll all the way down and open additional settings. Then we're gonna go to gesture shortcuts, and the first thing that we need to do is go to this option, launch digital assistant. We need to turn this option on so that we can press and hold the power button for half a second in order to be able to use the digital assistant, whether it is Gemini or Google Assistant. If you want to specifically use Gemini, but you don't have it set up for some reason, you can find the Gemini app somewhere in the app drawer. In my case, it is over here. If you don't have the app for some reason, you can just go to the Play Store and you should be able to download it for free. So we can go over here. If you go here for the first time, you will have to scroll down and press a button in the bottom right corner twice in order to proceed. And once you see this hello message, now you can just press and hold the power button in order to use Gemini. If you want to use Google Assistant instead, then over here in Gemini app, we need to tap on this profile icon in the top right corner, and then we can switch to Google Assistant over here. So select Google Assistant, confirm your choice, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.